Do you want to know how you can change the BeReal emoji in your mobile device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your BeReal emoji. Open the BeReal app and press the Try It Out button. Now you can press on Create a Group. From here, you can choose the emoji if you tap on here. You can choose from any emoji you want and it will be changed. As you can see, I can choose from a lot of emojis and select it. You must go ahead and create a group now. So choose a group name you want and then you can create an emoji with the group. Let me show it to you again. If you simply go ahead and tap on the emoji icon, it will be changed. Press on Try Out, click on Create a Group, and then tap on the emojis you want. This is how you change emojis in BeReal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.